9 plants and herbs that repair lung damage, combat infections and boost lung health. Whenever you have a cough, a cold, or a stuffy nose, do not reach for some commercial medicine in the cabinet before you try to treat the issue naturally. There are numerous natural herbs and plants which can soothe the symptoms and prevent further complications. These 9 ones boost the immune system, promote healthy lungs, and fight colds and infections. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which eases breathing and relaxes the muscles of the respiratory system. It also fights congestion and is rich in antioxidants which prevent numerous illnesses. Ocotillo Root. This root is native to the Rocky Mountain area, and it contains camphor and other compounds that support the lungs, boost circulation to them and thus help breathing. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is included in numerous cough lozenges and cough syrups, because it contains cineol, a compound which fights congestion, soothes a cough, and treats the inflammation of the sinus passages. Its antioxidants strengthen the immune system. Plantain leaf. Plantain leaf has powerful antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, so it soothes a dry cough, treats lung irritations and colds, and promotes mucus production in the lungs. Sage. Sage essential oils and sage tea are extremely beneficial in the case of respiratory illnesses and lung issues. The inhalation of its aromatic properties clears the sinuses and soothes lung problems. Licorice root. Licorice cleanses the inflamed mucous membrane and boosts the immune system, and is especially beneficial for the stomach, lungs, and throat. It aids the body to remove the mucus and soothes throat irritations. Thyme. This common herb can be used to fight chest congestion, thanks to its powerful antiseptic essential oils. Thyme oil is a natural antibiotic and antifungal. Drinking thyme tea can also help cleanse bacteria and viruses from the body to fight your infection. Mullein. Mullein effectively clears the excessive amounts of mucus in the lungs, cleanses the bronchial tubes, and soothes inflammation of the respiratory tract. Its leaves and flowers are used in the preparation of a potent herbal extract. Oregano. The vitamins and nutrients in this plant strengthen the immune system. It is also high in carvacrol and rosmarinic acid, which act as natural decongestants and reduce histamine. It supports the health of the respiratory tract and helps airflow through the nasal passage.